How to add link to Instagram post. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already copied the link that you want to add in your Instagram post. Then you can launch your Instagram app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. At the bottom, you're going to find different icons. Click on this plus icon. With that, your gallery will open up. Now over here, you're going to find different options. Set it to post. Then you can select the post that you want to upload. Click on next. Now from here, you can edit your post. Once you are done, click on next. Now from this page, you are able to add link to your post. Over here, you will find this section. Write a caption or add a poll. Over here, you can paste the copied link in this way. Then click on OK. Likewise, you can customize other settings as you can tag people, add music, add reminder, set audience, add location. Once you customize all these settings, click on Sure. Now it's in the process to be uploaded. Wait for a few seconds and you can see that I have just uploaded post along with the link. So this way you can easily add link in your Instagram post. This was really simple and quick process. By following the same steps, you can add link to other Instagram posts as well. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.